What is a redemption settlement for coal miners in New South Wales? Hi, I'm Gemma Bunner from Shaw and Bunner Legal, and I specialise in coal miners' workers' compensation claims in New South Wales. So, redemption settlement is essentially a buyout of your workers' compensation entitlements. It is negotiated between yourself and the insurer, generally through your solicitor, and it is a buyout of your future entitlements to weekly benefits, medical and treatment expenses, and any further lump sum compensation for impairment and pain and suffering. It can only be negotiated, it cannot be determined by a judge of the court. However, if you reach an agreement between yourself and the insurer, it has to be approved by a judge of the court. Now, this is a checks and balances and a protection process for a judge to be satisfied that the figure is appropriate, that the settlement is suitable, and that you have understood your options to either remain in the system or take a redemption settlement and exit the system. If you take a redemption, it means that you have no further entitlements as against the insurer for medical and treatment expenses. There's no further weekly benefits and there's no further lump sums. There is an exception, however, with respect to industrial deafness or disease of the lungs. So you can still bring certain claims relating to those body parts into the future. You will also agree that you generally will not come back to work in the coal mining industry in New South Wales again. You can, however, there are a few hoops to jump through. Firstly, you must be able to satisfy a full coal services functional medical to show that you are fit enough to return to work in the industry and perform the inherent requirements of the job. And secondly, you need to disclose the redemption settlement to any prospective employer in the coal mining industry. Now, if you take a redemption, you're going to be on the sidelines with Centrelink for a period of time, meaning you won't be able to claim any Centrelink benefits for a number of weeks. The exact amount of weeks is calculated based on the settlement sum. You cannot be forced to redeem your rights. It is purely something that you elect to do. So if you require more information, please feel free to reach out to the team at Shaw and Bunner Legal.